Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's lesson, I want to talk about bundling. And bundling is basically bundling samples, more specifically. And bundling samples basically mean if you are talking with three different suppliers. So let's say, for example, I wanted to sell teddy bears, maybe Humphrey teddy bears, okay? And I was speaking to three different suppliers in China, for instance, right? One in Guangzhou, which is where they do the Canton Fair, which is where I normally go. Obviously not now because there was the virus, right? But where I normally go and hold Canton Fair trips with clients. So let's say I was talking with one supplier in Guangzhou, one supplier in Beijing, and one supplier in Xi'an, where the terracotta soldiers are, right? Now, let's say, for example, they all manufacture these Humphrey teddy bears. And I wanted to test out each supplier. And I said, send me a sample so I can look at it. So I can look at the quality, I can test the quality, I can play the drawstring to make sure that the sound is great. You might go, Humphrey teddy bear, you know, like if there's a sound box involved. And I want to test it out. Now, what is the best way of getting those teddy bears back to your country, whether it's Australia or New Zealand or the US, wherever you're based? What is the best way? And the answer to that is very simple. Okay, rather than get your supplier to send them a sample, okay, because you pay your shipping costs, you pay the sample, which might be $5, $10, then you pay your shipping costs. The shipping costs might be $50, $60, right? Then you pay the other supplier, supplier number two, send it to me, right? It's another $60, right? Another third supplier, send it to me, right? It's $100, right? So it adds up pretty fast. So what you do instead, and this is where you save a whole bunch of money, is you send one sample, two sample, three sample to one place in China, and it could be an FBA prep company. It could be a company that we talk about in our course called Leeline. It could be another company. It could be anyone really. And they will put your three samples together in the same box, and they'll send it over to you. And you just pay one lot of shipping, that one shipping box. So instantly you'll save a lot of money, right? So that is probably the best way of doing it. And yeah, it's called sample, I call it sample amalgamation, which is a fancy way of saying, you know, sample collation. That's another way of saying, a fancy way of saying, sample sort of putting the samples together, putting in a box and shipping it to you in one go, all right? So hopefully that answered your question on how do you test 3 or 4 or 5. We actually have had students jump on 5 different sample tests from 5 different suppliers. If you're talking to multiple suppliers and you want to do that, it'll save you a whole bunch of time and money. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye for now.